The title of my presentation is Deep Learning for Manufacturing Inspection Case Studies. My name is Stephen C. and I'm with FLIR Systems. Here is the outline of my presentation. I'll start with an overview of manufacturing inspection applications and how deep learning can be used for such applications. I'll then talk about the deep learning workflow and present a few case studies of manufacturing inspection applications. At the end, I'll share some best practices that we have learned. Let's start with a brief overview of manufacturing inspection. Deep learning is now revolutionizing the machine vision industry. Machine vision industry is shifting from traditional rule-based approach to deep learning. Traditional methods require handcraft algorithms by skilled engineers with programming and vision expertise. Deep learning can adapt to new examples without reprogramming. Therefore, tedious programming for identifying different defects is no longer necessary. For instance, instead of programming code like this, isn't it great that we can just show a bunch of good and bad examples? Deep learning is very well suited to many machine vision applications, such as manufacturing inspection, defect detection, classification, segmentation, etc. Textile inspection is a good example where traditional methods do not perform well after years of development, while deep learning can outperform them after a few minutes of training, provided that you have the training data, a suitable model, and training parameters. In this example, the defect is detected, and the zoom-in view is circled in blue here. Here are some other examples, such as machine part inspection and solar panel inspection, where deep learning works well. The zoom-in view of the defects detected are circled in blue here. It is very difficult to model a defect mathematically and hard to come up with an algorithm to detect any type of defects.